What bones and muscles are being used when doing a push-up? Now, I have to answer this question. When doing a standard push-up, you're mainly focusing on not only the triceps but also the chest muscles in your body. But then you also have another variation called the close grip push-up or diamond push-up, which mainly focuses on the triceps instead of the chest. Now you have the wide grip push-ups, which mainly focuses on the chest muscles instead of the triceps. Although the triceps are being activated, they're not being as heavily activated as the chest muscles, since the wide grip push-up mainly prioritizes the chest muscles instead of the triceps. Now in this anatomy chart, you can see that not only are the chest and tricep muscles are being activated, you also have the biceps, the traps, the deltoids, the lats, and abdominal and oblique muscles. Now, you may have asked the question, how does push-up work these muscles? Well, triceps are mainly a pushing muscle. So when you do this pushing motion called a push-up, you're not only activating your triceps, you're also activating all three heads of your tricep, which means you get bigger triceps, which means bigger arms. Not only this, but your chest is being also activated as a pushing motion, because your chest is also a muscle that uses to push things, which shows that it's activated. Not only is the chest being activated, but it also targets all three parts of your chest, your upper, middle, and lower. What bones are being used when doing push-ups? Now, the main important ones are the scapula and humerus. Now, the humerus and the scapula bones are very important when doing a push-up, as the scapula bone allows you to retract and detract with your shoulder blade, which allows you to do a pushing motion, which makes you able to do a push-up. Or the humerus is your upper arm bone, which allows you to push, as well with the scapula supporting you when doing a push-up. Because without the humerus, you have no supporting upper arm structure, which makes you unable to do a push-up. John is a 38-year-old man, and a semi-truck has fallen on his back. Now, to get this huge semi-truck off his back, he needs to perform a push-up. Now, how does his brain signal a push-up motion to him? Well, the brain signals to the motor neurons to signal to the chest and arm muscles to push off this huge semi-truck on top of his back. Now, since John is a superhuman, he does a one push-up and gets the huge semi-truck off of his back and snaps the huge semi-truck in half. Now, you may say that push-ups don't get you this strong. Well, if you look at this fat child, this obese, chunky little baby, and this chunky fourth grader. Now, this is the before after transformation of him not doing push-ups and him doing push-ups. And now the difference is insane. As you can see, the fat baby has now gotten 15-inch arms by just doing a couple push-ups. That's a crazy increase in arm size. And that is why you all should do your push-ups. Not only to get bigger arms, but to also get stronger. To push a huge semi-truck off your back, just like John did with scoliosis.